Hey everyone, today's tech tip for parents is all about communicating with your child's teacher. There are 2 easy ways for you to communicate with your child's teacher via email, even if you're not sure what their communication information is. The first way is to visit your child's school's website. On every school's website, there is a tab that says Faculty and Staff, and when you click on it, it will give you a full list of all of the administrators and teachers at that site and their email address. All you need to do is click on the link and it will open up whatever email browser you have on your computer to send them an email. You can also copy and paste their email into whatever email client you use. But there's an even easier way, and that's to head on over to your Canvas Parent Dashboard. Inside of your Canvas Parent Dashboard, which you can get to through the OCPS Parent Portal, there is something that you may have never clicked on called the inbox. When you click on the inbox, it is going to take you to what looks like an email account. But this is basically a messaging system that exists within Canvas that you can use to send an email directly to any of your children's teachers. Let's see how it works. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this button that says Compose a New Message. Then, from the drop-down, you'll select the course that your child is enrolled in. For this example, we'll choose Algebra 1. Then in the To menu, you do not have to know their email address. You can simply click on the, it looks like an address book with a little person on it. Click right here. And then you'll click on the arrow next to Teachers. From here, you can select the teacher's name and then put in the subject that you're writing about. For this example, we'll choose After School Tutoring. You can also type in your message below. You also have the ability to add any attachments, just like you would in a regular email, or you can even record a video comment. You can do that by clicking here and clicking Allow. Hey, Mr. Lean, we need some help identifying some after-school tutoring options for Lily. Can you give me a call back tomorrow? Thanks. Hey, Mr. Lean, we need some help identifying some after-school tutoring options for Lily. Can you give me a call back tomorrow? Thanks. We can even title it. Then we can click Save. This will put your media comment for the teacher right in here so they can watch your video. When you're ready, click Send. This message will go directly to the teacher in Canvas and it will be copied to their OCPS email box so you can be sure that they'll get it. You should try to communicate with your child's teacher as frequently as possible. Another option is to fill out a communication plan. A communication plan is an easy way to make sure that you have on your bulletin board or refrigerator all of the information for your children's teachers, the hours they're available to support, maybe during a planning period or before or after school, how they plan to provide support for your child, for example, if they want to meet with them on Big Blue Button or if they'd rather they send them an email, the teacher's email address, the teacher's phone number, and the place where their assignments will be posted. This is an easy, handy reference guide that you can help your students use when they need to communicate with their teacher. Hope this helps you stay in touch. Bye.